Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to upload ID on Robinhood. So make sure to watch this video till the end and you will be able to do it. The first step is just download the application Robinhood in your mobile phone and just open it. And once you open it, they will basically ask you to enter the details, which is like your first name, your second name, your nationality, like the country and the address. Make sure to enter all those details, and let's say that you have completed all those steps. So after that you will be seeing this kind of interface like complete sign up. Like the sign up involves your name, your address, your nationality, your phone number, your email address. So once you have verified those details, so they will ask you to verify your identity as well. So you can just click on the first option, complete sign up, and once you click here, they will basically ask you to enter your social security number, which is very important to enter, as this is like legal information to add it here. And once you add the social security number, they will ask you to enter your driving license or the passport or this kind of details. So make sure to enter your security number first, and after that they will ask you like either your ID card or your passport or your national card. Make sure to enter that. And the fourth, like although four corners are visible, make sure that the clear pictures are clear. And once you have added all the information, after that they will review your identity, and within 24 to 48 hours they will contact you back on your email address and tell you that either you are verified or not verified. And if you're not verified, they will also tell you the reason that why did you not got verified. So you can just review them or contact their help section or retry and upload your ID again on the Robinhood and get verified. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it.